karanasan sa pinakamahusay na pelikula ng taon. Isang father and daughter drama, isang horror with an autobiography of a real serial killer, isang psychological animated film, isang campy revenge movie, isang tearjerker love story, at isang historical film. Sino kaya ang karapat-dapat na maging FAMAS Best Picture? Here are the nominees.
Best Picture:
Gumbuza,
CFB Film Services, Jesuit Communications Foundation, and M+ Ventures.
Maraming sa sense.
Kung natin alagaan ang liwanag ng kanyang karugtong, siya na nangyari ang ating buhay. Buhay, pag-ibig siya ang hindi ko tumatay. Para sa sarili.
Malyari, Clever Minds, Inventor Productions.
Tas, ano ba hinahanap mo na yan? Alam mo ba kasi yung sinasabi niya? Yung mananakit sa kanya. Sa lahi natin, may ilan-ilan na katulad natin na nakakalakbay. Huwag na huwag ka nang babalik.
Ate?
Imabubuhay, City Malaya Foundation, Project 8 Projects, Chennai Public Affairs, and Terminal 6. Papa Mascot, Wide International.
Ulit nyo naman eh! Sinabi na wala siya! Hindi mo pala alam si Nicole. Bakit mo inakin ng bata na hindi naman sa'yo? Sino ka ba talaga? Mabuti pa sa iba ka na lang humanap ng matataguan. Tapos itong mascot, yun na. Papa?
May kulay na anak ko ah. May sarili kwarto ah.
Hindi ka naman ba, di ba? Damit na po ito.
Rewind, ABS-CBN Film Productions, APT Entertainment, Gusto Dos Pictures, and Star Cinema.
Ang sabi niya,
It will come true daw.
Shit, I resign!
sinungaling naman pala yung roads mo.
Huwag kaming kami sa init ang ulo.
Fine, fine. Una, una.
Kailan ba talaga ako? Pero, papasok ako!
A Very Good Girl, ABS-CBN Film Productions, and Star Cinema.
You're all fired!
You think you're better than mother? Justice is expensive. Poor people just can't afford it. Sabi mo naman nadadamay. Wala ako. Titira sa'yo.
and the FAMAS for Best Picture goes to
Maraming po salamat sa buong Megapal. Maraming salamat po sa FAMAS. Kauna-unahan ko pong nakita ang tropeyong ito nung bata pa ako. Sa kwarto ng mga tropeyo na nag-iisang Vilma Santos Recto. You never realize today na magkakaroon din po kami nito. Ayan. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to everyone who believed in this project from the very beginning. To our talented cast, headed by the no other than amazing Piolo Pascual, and crew, headed by the genius Derek Cabrido, together with ECS, Enrique Santos, ayan. And of course, ayan, who poured their passion and creativity in every frame. To our producers, headed by Nay Omar, maraming salamat. Who believed in our vision and supported us, a newbie, in every step of the way. To Warner Brothers family, headed by Sir Rico Gonzalez, who helped us bring our film to audiences far and wide. To my family who always supports me. Sa aking mga kaibigan in Original Elemental Productions, Joshen, Alan, Alay, Naigio, Shin, Ate Kat, maraming salamat. To our PR and marketing team, Reggie and Carl, and to our fans, the more than 1 million Filipino individual na nanood ng Malyares sa mga sinihan, your unwavering support and love have inspired us to push the boundaries of what is possible. But let us also remember that our work is far from over. Let us continue to champion diversity, inclusivity, representation in our industry. Let us strive to tell stories that challenge, provoke, and inspire. And let us never lose sight of the power of cinema to unite us, to move us, and change for the better whatever we are going through at this moment. Pag nagkakaisa po tayo, mas mabilis po tayo makakausad at mas magbubukas ng marami pang oportunidad para sa industriyang ito. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po ang FAMAS, mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino, mabuhay po ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations to our Best Director, Mr. Louis Ignacio, and this year's Best Picture,